In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a VOB file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's perfect if you have VOB files from a DVD or an older video source that won't play properly on your phone, computer, or video editing software. MP4 is one of the most compatible formats out there, so converting your VOB files makes them much easier to use, share, and upload. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software how-to guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. VLC is completely free and trusted, and if you don't already have it, you can download it directly from the official VLC website and install it like any normal program. Once VLC is installed, go ahead and launch it. When VLC opens up, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the conversion window where VLC lets you change video formats. Next, you'll want to add your VOB file. In the Open Media window, click the Add button. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your VOB file is stored, select the file you want to convert, and then click Open. You should now see the file listed inside VLC. If you have multiple VOB files you want to convert, you can add more than one, but for most people, converting one file at a time works best. Once your file is added, look at the bottom of the window and click the Convert/Save button. This will take you to the next screen, where you choose the output format and destination. Now, this step is very important. Under the Profile drop-down menu, you need to select the correct format. Click the Profile menu and choose Video H.264 plus MP3, which is labeled as MP4. This profile gives you a high-quality MP4 file that works on almost any device, including phones, tablets, smart TVs, and video editing software. After choosing the profile, move down to the Destination section. Click the Browse button to choose where you want the converted MP4 file to be saved. Pick a folder you'll remember and then give your file a name. Make sure the file name ends with .mp4. This ensures VLC saves the file in the correct format. Once that's done, click Save. At this point, everything is set up and ready to go. All you need to do now is click the Start button. VLC will begin converting your VOB file to MP4. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your computer, this process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. You'll see the progress bar moving as VLC works through the conversion. When the process finishes, VLC will stop automatically. Now you can go to the destination folder you selected earlier and open your new MP4 file. You should see that it plays smoothly and is much easier to use than the original VOB file. And that's it. You've successfully converted a VOB file to MP4 using VLC Media Player for free. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.